this side is front, this side is back. This is the bottom plate and this is the top plate. For this we need now the M2.5 screws. And just insert the rubber. So this is complete now, and there are two possibilities: either to mount them here in this position, so here and here, or in the inner one. I personally prefer so it should look like now this, the solder pads for the ESCs on the top, below the mounting for the booms. So they go on this hole. What you see here, it's hard to get to the solder pads, so the best way is now to already do the soldering now. Now for this I use a temperature controlled soldering iron. Mine has 80 watts, so I'm soldering with 380 degrees now. You could say if you cut off the length, the cable like this, then you are okay. Important is that you put some tin on the cable before as well. Just solder the cables on. Why I do it like this is you should not put any force on the cables and any solder joints. Therefore it's good that you have kind of loop here at the cable. And then we simply take two screws, the M2.5 again, and mount the arm.